Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
How are you, Heyan? How are you, Ritu? How are you, Nevan?
I'm good.
Sam, nice to see you. Neil is still coming on. How are you, Yuvati? How was your week?
My mom is not here.
Oh, mom is not here. Okay, mom is traveling.
No, he's not traveling.
Okay.
He's just like in my home doing something.
Okay, so you're all by yourself. Good for you. Very good for you, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Very much.
Um, for for my math map test,
Mm.
which was this week,
Mm-hmm.
I was using improper fractions, and mixed mixed fractions.
Mm-hmm.
I got confused between which one is which.
Oh, I see. Let's see what is the confusion. Let's see.
Miss Priya, could
Yeah.
I tell you my math and reading score? On the reading score, I got higher than any of my scores from the year 206 overall.
Uh-huh.
And math, and math better than any of my scores through the year 224. Well, me and Neil got the same scores for the math map test.
Wow.
Got 224.
Okay.
I don't really know, but I think that there's a
Are you talking about math map, huh?
yeah.
Both of you?
Yeah, both of us got 224.
Very nice. Good job. Well done.
Last time in my math map test, I got 207.
Wow, that's a big rise. Last time means
Got 217 on my last math test.
okay. See that
On my
see.
reading test, it was not as great because I just at 70th percentile at 189.
Okay.
I
Okay.
and I got 218 for my reading.
But let me tell you guys, all of you, okay, if you're all of you are taking map, okay, your reading as well should come up like math. Then only you can do math better. That's the deal as you go up. You got it? Meaning,
Yeah, it's kind of not great because we did the reading first, then the math.
that's all too much.
For me, I had to do the reading, but we did the reading map one day earlier. So then we had to and then the next week we had to do the math map test, and then the day after the math map we had to redo the reading.
I see.
Just because we did it one day early.
I see. Hey, and are you also doing the math map test? Okay, and I hope you got the round one IMC results, round two IMC results as well, right?
Also, I
Miss
think
Priya,
both of my scores were higher than any of this year.
Ah,
Miss
I
Priya,
see. What now?
I finished
on my star, I got 98.
Oh, your SAR results have come.
No.
But Mia has.
Oh, Ritu has.
For us, they told us it'll only come in the summer break.
Interesting.
Like when my like in like in my birthday month or something like that. My birthday month's June.
Uh-huh.
I
And
did
I know
I did my reading star first.
wait, 27 days.
I see.
On my stars, I felt like I did better on the math because, like, in the 4 hours, I did the reading in 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Very good job. Okay.
And for
Now,
the math,
uh-huh.
I did it in 1 hour 45 minutes.
Very nice, Yuvati. Now let's move on. So there is a number line shown on the board. 0 to 1 is shown. A is 3 by 4, B is 6 by 7, C is 5 by 8, and D is 3 by 7.
I know one.
Now, I want you to mark no. In the notebook that you have, draw this number line 0 to 1 and show me where is A, B, C, D. Where is A, B, C, D? Take your time. I really want to see what each of you are going to do. So based on that only, I'm going to move on too.
Wait, can you draw two number lines?
What is it, ma?
Can you draw two number lines?
You can draw only one number line and show all of them there. That's the intent.
I already have my answer. Just wait because I need to unblur my background.
Ah, okay. Can I see who did it first? How did you do it? I want to understand. First of all, 3 by 4. Where do you plot this 3 by 4? 1 second. Let me note down. I am trying to understand 3 by 7, 5 by 8. Can you show? Okay. Neil. I am able to see. Where is 6 by 7 and 3 by 4? You need
Maybe
to
I'll
all
send it
the
in
4
chat
for me.
since that it seems like it's backwards. I'll send it in chat.
Okay. You can send me the order in chat as well. That as well, I'm fine. I like your number line. Okay, number line, I've seen it, but I want to know whether it is A, B, C, D or A, C, B, D or it is B, C, A, D or it is B, D, A, C or which order it comes in is what I want to know. Can I get the order in terms of A, B, C, D? What does it mean in terms of means? You can just send D, E, D, C, B, A. Neil, are you okay? You're muted.
I'm just not happy just because my mom is messing around.
Oh, you're not happy since your mom is messing around. Moms never mess, you know. Moms help you. You are a team. You and your mom are a team. So the teammates would not want you to go down as well.
D.
Go ahead. I want to see how you're all doing. Nevan, can you tell me how are you doing this problem?
You mean the order?
Yes.
I sent my answer.
1 second, Ma. Tell me, Nevan. Yes.
I did A, D, B, C
Illima, how did you do?
because A is first 3/4, and then 3/7, because that's the closest to 3/4, and then 6/7 is the closest to 3/7, and 5/8 is the closest to 6/7.
Good to see, guys. Okay, the way you've done is good. Okay, now let's see. You know how I would do? First 3 by 4 and 3 by 7. Let me compare. Which is greater? Hayan, which is greater? 3 by 4 or 3 by 7? 3 by 4 or 3 by 7?
Miss Priya, I know.
Hayan, that was a question for Hayan.
3/4.
3 by 4 is greater. So 3 by 7 comes here, right?
I did it backwards.
3 by 4. Okay, that's fine. Now, between 3 by 7 and 6 by 7, you clearly know 6 by 7 is greater, right? But I don't know whether 6 by 7 is greater or 3 by 4 is greater. 6 by 7 is greater or 3 by 4 is greater? Nevan, you tell me which is greater. 6 by 7 or 3 by 4?
3/4.
How do you know?
Because,
See, one easy way, shall I tell you?
yeah.
Easy way is multiply these two, write it down up. Multiply these two, write it down up. Whichever is greater is greater. See, make a butterfly. Make a butterfly. Multiply that, write it up. Multiply this, write it up. Whichever is greater. 6 by 7 is greater. So 6 by 7 can't go here. 6 by 7 has to come here.
Miss Priya, but am I correct though? The first answer I sent?
Please, can you wait? Let's discuss and see. Go back and see. Now, 3 by 4, 3 by 7 we tackled, but 5 by 8 comes where? It's so hard, right? 5 by 8. Let me compare with 5 by 8 and 6 by 7. Ritu, you want to say which is greater? Ritu, 6 by 7 is greater or 5 by 8 is greater? Okay, Lakshanya, you.
6 by 7 is greater.
How do you know?
Because 5 times 7 equals 35.
Good job. Very nice. 6 by 7 is greater. Nice. So 5 by 8 can come here, but I don't know. 5 by 8 or 3 by 4 is greater, Neil. 5 by 8 is greater or 3 by 4 is greater?
Can we send in chat?
Yeah, you can shout out otherwise. Neil, 5 by 8 is greater or 3 by 4 is greater? No, you're muted, Ma. We are not able to hear you.
Uh, 5/4 is greater. 6/8 are equal to 3/4.
Job. Okay, yeah, this is greater. So 5 by 8 should go here. So the order would be 3 by 7, 5 by 8, 3 by 4, and
6 by
6 by
7.
7.
I just
Lakshanya, did you see the problem with your answer?
I just did it like quickly, by the way.
Lakshanya, did you see the problem?
Yes.
So the order should have been D, C, A, B.
Miss
D, C, A, B.
Miss Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Priya.
Yes. Yeah, all of you got it. Lakshanya, the last two were incorrect. Did you check, ma?
I actually typed it wrong.
Okay, that's good to know. Then let's move on. Okay. Since all of you got it, I feel like it's not worth wasting time there. How about this? Okay, this one is a good one. Okay, I really want you to insert the symbol. Please answer this in chat. Okay, any one of the symbol can be placed. Okay, let me see who does it. a good one to think about.
After this one, can we do mixed fractions?
Yes, I'm going to do that, Ma. That's what is
Yeah.
coming up. Area, I want you to start doing by yourself at home a couple of exercises. Okay, then you can coloring and all you can do at home.
Miss
Uh,
Priya,
yeah, Ma.
at school for math, we're making stations, and mine is area. So we're making an area Candyland on the computer.
Oh, nice. You're enjoying?
Yeah, we finished it. We're gonna play it next week.
Oh, good to know. Left equal to right. What is that, Lakshanya? Are they equal? I don't think they're equal, Ma.
That's not what I meant. I
Then
said it was
please
going
explain.
from least to greatest.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I still see the number lines.
Same.
Oh my God. 37, 99, 73, 200. 37, 99, 73, 200. 37, 99, 73, 200. Less great. This is what I wrote. I don't know. Sometimes Zoom makes the board as orange and it's not visible to you. That's what I'm seeing off late. Oh wow, Samhit, good job. How did you find Samhit?
Can I tell?
Please.
I multiplied 37 by 2, and then I got 74
Okay.
and 180 and 198 for the denominator.
Mm.
The numerator was bigger than the other numerator,
Ah, so you said that. Okay, interesting.
and the fractions were bigger because of the denominator. I mean,
I see.
Can I tell I
Wait, Mayavati. Neil, what did you do?
Wait, but I am, wait, but, well, 200 of 1 is 0.05, then that'll equal 0.01. Well, that means then 70 times that will equal.
Oh wow, Neil, then I'm assuming you adjusted this to 100?
Wait, well, what?
Did you adjust this to 100?
No. Wait, not yet. Well, I'm thinking about this one.
Okay, Heyan, what did you do?
It's 37, 36, 0.33, 36.5. This. And then 99 to 37, 36.5, and with 100, it will go with this. And even with 37 to 100, this will be way more higher because 0.37 is higher than 0.36.5, which means that 37 into 99 is greater than 73 into 200.
Oh, how did you get that 0.07, 0. Well, how did you get that?
I know that 0.01 is 100 of 1, So I knew that a half of it will equal 200 of one, a 200th of one. So I knew that.
So 200, 1 by 200 is what in decimal?
I know it's 0.05. No, I meant zero.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Thank you. Thank you for explaining. Yes, I got it. Okay. Heyan, what did you do, Heyan?
I got it.
Heyan?
Don't understand the question.
We don't understand the question. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay. 37 by 99, 73 by 200, right? It's difficult. It's a little bit difficult to compare. Is there any way?
Yes.
Yuvati, did you do cross multiplication and verify?
No, I didn't do cross multiplication because the numbers are bigger, it'll take a long time to
So what did you
multiply
do?
them. So what I did is when the denominator is lesser than the other denominator, it means it's greater.
You can't conclude
have
like
more
that. You
space.
cannot conclude like that. It depends on the numerator as well. See, when the denominator is lesser, right? Yeah, it means greater, but it's only 37 parts out of 99. This is 73 parts out of 200. You see what I mean? When I double it, let's say this will be what? Double this, find equivalent fractions. If you double it, then at least there is some sort of, see, out of 198, we are considering how many parts? Out of 198, we are considering 74 parts. Hey, Ann, I'm just finding an equivalent fraction for this that's near to this. So 198 parts, 74 pieces. 200 parts, only 73 pieces. Do you see? If I split one whole into 200 pieces and take up only 73 parts, it will occupy much space. Then when I have 198 parts and take up 74 pieces where the pieces are bigger as well. Hey, Ann, did you get that?
Yeah.
You are splitting one whole into 198 pieces. Okay, 198 pieces means the number of pieces are less on the side. But then you are taking away 74 of those big pieces. Here you are splitting that one whole into 73 into 200 pieces. Pieces are small and you take up only 73 pieces. Naturally, 37 by 99 is bigger. Can I move on now? Okay, how about this, guys? Round it to the nearest whole number. What is the nearest whole number to 19 divided by 5? What is the nearest whole number to 19 divided by 5?
4.
How did you know?
Wait, because that 20 into 5 equals 4, and then 19 is more closer to 20.
Good job. Okay, so now I will tell 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3 is 15. I reach up 15, but this one is a little above 15. So I go to the next one, 20, right? This is 5 times 3, this is 5 times 4. Now 19 is near to 20. Do you get it?
More near
So
20.
my nearest whole number is this. You got it? Heyan, are you listening, Nevan? Okay, how
Wait,
about
what does whole number mean again?
whole number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are whole numbers. Make sense?
Wait, why?
Because it's a whole number, right? Fraction means pieces of one whole. 4 by 5 is a piece of a whole, right?
Yeah.
You see? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is the nearest whole number to 35 by 8 in chat, guys? Quick, come on. What is the nearest whole number? You have to think about one less than, one greater than. You have to think about multiple of 8. You have to think about a number that is a multiple. Multiple means 8, 16, 24, 32, like that, which is less and greater than 35, and see
I
which
said
is
my
near.
answer.
Yeah, I'm seeing, ma. Good job.
Priya,
Is this right?
I'll check. Lakshanya, did you think about a number less and see which is the distance which is near? Yes, Neil. Good job. Nevan, correct. So answer is what, Nevan? Lakshanya, think about it well. Think of a number that's less. Yuvati, send your answer. I can check. Okay. I'm going to move on. Samhit, why is it a 5?
Because I rounded the 35 to 40, and then I did
You cannot round there. That's what I'm saying. Multiple of 8 is 32. Multiple of 8 is 40. Take
that
one multiple that's less than 35. Take one multiple that's greater than 35. Now, 35 is near to this or this?
32.
32. So naturally, I would go with the 4. I'm going to move on. 87 by 11. Quick, guys. Find the nearest whole number. One another tactics, guys. I really want you to know about this tactics as well. When you have, I'm going to work with a smaller number and show you. Guys, 35 by 8 I gave you, right?
Yeah.
How can you write it as a mixed number? You all know how to write it as a mixed number, right? 4. What is a fraction, Lakshanya? Convert it to a mixed number.
Fraction is 2/8.
Fractional form of 35 by 8. The 35 by 8, you're going to write it as a mixed number. 8 fours are 32. What is the remainder?
3. So it's
3.
4,
So
3
3
out
by
of 8.
8. See, this is how you write. First, let's practice this. Let's not move on in a hurry way. Okay, 4, 3 by 8. Now, when you think about it, see, is this less than half? Is this less than half or greater than half?
Lesser.
Less than half. Because half of 8 is 4, but there is only 3. So it is less than half. So you go to the lower number 4. You got it? How about 14 by 3? What is a mixed number? Now, a chance for Nevan. What is a mixed number for 14 by 3?
Wait.
Nevan, 14 by 3. Please tell the multiplication table for 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 4, what is the remainder?
3 divided by 4.
14 divided by 3, ma. 4 threes are 12. Go to the nearest number. 4 threes are 12, right? Remainder is 2. I wrote it down. Divide by 3. The other way to do Nevan is quickly to do this one. So start from here. 4 is the whole number. The fractional part is 2 by 3. Is 2 by 3 greater than half or less than half, Ritu? 2 by 3 greater than half or less than half? Tell me, 2 by 3 greater than half or less than half? What is half of 3? 1.5. So the 2 is definitely greater. So since 2 by 3 is greater, the nearest whole number you have to go up 5. Let me see if this is easy or not. I don't know for you guys. 19 by 3. Neil, can you try? Which is the nearest whole number? Convert it to a mixed number. Convert it to a mixed number, guys. Who wants to try? Yuvati, go ahead.
So the nearest whole number to 19 divided by 3 is 5.
No. Yes, Neil, that's right. You want to try? 6. Go ahead. What is the remainder?
Miss Priya.
What is the remainder, Ma?
1.
Good job. The denominator always remains the same. So 1 by 3 is much less than 1 by 2. So when you round it to the nearest whole number, it becomes 6. Good job. See, I am seeing answers in chat. Very good job, Neil and Lakshanya. I'm going to move on. Okay. How about 52 by 7? Quick, guys. Round it to the nearest whole number. Put it into a mixed fraction. This is an improper fraction. We don't want it. So put it to a mixed number. Hey, Ann, I really want your answer. Which will consist of whole number and fraction.
Miss Priya, I
Yep.
sent
Miss Priya, I sent it.
Yeah, I'm saying. You can also, Lakshanya, when you send the answer, be more detailed. Can you send the mixed number as well? So that way I understand whether you understood or not, right? Good job, Lakshanya, Samhit, correct. Nevan, I need to see the mixed number and the whole number. Neil, where is your answer? Heyan, where is your answer?
Miss Priya, I actually did do the mixed number. I wrote the mixed number then the whole number.
Yeah, you know what? You split it out. That's why I did not see. I got it, Ma. But good job. Ritu, I want the whole number. See, mixed number consists of two. See, mixed number is the whole number and then the fraction is a mixed number, Ritu. Did you forget?
I forgot to add that.
Okay, that's what I thought. Yuvati. No, Yuvati, that's incorrect. Yuvati, 52 divided by 7. What was that? Good job, Ritu.
6.
No, 7 sevens are 49. 3 is the remainder. Right, Yuvati? Now it becomes 7 3 by 7. You got it? Ritu, Heyan, 7 3 by 7, right? Heyan, why 3.5 by 7? Heyan. Heyan. Why did you put 3.5?
I think I calculated wrong. Yeah, I calculated wrong.
Calculated wrong. Okay. 7 3 by 7 means when you think about this, right? Is it greater than half? Then you go up. If it is less than half, you go down. So 3 by 7, next is 8. You go up to 8 only when the fraction is greater than half. Here 3 by 7, yeah, I understood why you wrote 3.5. 3.5 is the half of 7, but this 3 by 7 is on the left side, right? Meaning, see, this is right smack in the middle. Okay, now 7 is here, 8 is here. The 3 by 7 falls here or here. It is going to fall here. Why? Because it's less than the 7.5. So we go back and answer that as 7. Heyan, did you get it? Okay, now I'm going to give another question. You're going to write it, guys. Okay, how about round to the nearest whole number? Round 29, 50 by 99 to the nearest whole number. Can we try, please?
Priya.
I sent my answer.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a little help doing this.
Okay. Think about it. See, I told you, right? 29, 50 by 99. You are going to move up.
Am I correct?
Please let me finish. You're going to, when I'm talking, if you interrupt, it's hard, right? 29 should be rounded to 30. See, 29 is here. 30 is here. Okay. 29 and a half is here. Okay. Only when my 50 by 99 fraction falls on this side, you go here. 50 by 99 fraction falls on this side, you go here. Ritu, did you get that?
Yeah,
50 by 99 fraction is on the left or the right?
the left.
Why? What is the half of 99? What is the half of 99? What is half of 99, guys? What is half of 98? What is half of 100? What is 50? But what is half of 99 is 49 and a half. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Is 50 greater than 49 and a half? Is 50 greater than 49 and a half?
Yes.
Yes. So is it 30 or 29, Ritu? Hmm? Ritu, are you getting it, ma'am?
Yeah,
So what is it? Answer 29 or 30?
29.
How ma? 50 by 99 falls on this side. 50 out of 99 pieces. 99 pieces are there. 50 piece means it's more than half or less than half. 99 half is 49 and a half. 50 is much more than that. So it falls on this side. Ritu, did you get it?
Yeah,
So this number should be rounded to 30 or 29.
30.
30. Good job. So how about this, guys? 46, 50 by 55 by 201. Should be rounded to what? Nearest whole number. What is the nearest whole number? Heyan, you're going to explain this, or Nevan, you're going to explain this. Nearest whole number. Everybody in chat, I'm waiting for your answers in chat. Otherwise, I'm not going to move on. So everybody does
100 to 55.
46, 55 by 201. Round to the nearest whole number. Samhit correct.
Okay.
I really need to move on, guys. Hold on. Come on. We have only how many more classes? Only one class. So why? Two more.
Send my
That is incorrect, ma. I don't know how you did that. Lakshanya correct. Nevan, I asked you to round it to the nearest whole number. Heyan,
Miss Priya, can I explain?
yes. Samhit, Neil correct.
I send my answer. Wait,
Two, it's incorrect, ma.
do I round the whole fraction to a nearest whole number?
Ritu, I know how you did that. Yuvati, I know how you did that. Okay. Guys, I am on a 46. Okay. Then the next whole number is 47. I am on 46. The next whole number on the number line is 47. Okay, but I do have a fraction. Where is this fraction? I don't know where is this fraction. I know only 46 and a half. Yuvati, I'm not going to give you any turn now. 46 is here, 47 is here. 46 and a half is here. Nearest whole number means you're not going to go to the nearest tens. You're not going to go to 50. You're not going to go to 60. But then you have to go to your nearest whole number means 46, 47 like that. But I don't know whether the answer is 46 or 47. How will I know? I need to understand more about this fraction, 55 pieces out of 200 pieces, 201 pieces. Is it more than half or less than half? This 55 by 201 is more than half or less than half? Who can tell? More than half or less than half? 55 pieces.
55 is less than half.
Yeah, less than half because 100 is only at least half of this, right? 100 and a half. 201. What is the half of 201? 100 and a half. But here we have only 55 pieces. So this 55 201 fraction falls here. On this side, it's less than half. As a result, my nearest whole number, I will run to 46 and wait. So 46 is the answer. Ritu, Lakshanya, did you understand?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay, how about this? Ritu, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I
Ritu,
understood.
okay. Nice to know. How about this? What is the nearest whole number? You are not rounding to the nearest tens or hundreds as you do in school. I know you know that in school. That is why I'm skipping that here. You are rounding to the nearest whole number. You have not studied this in school.
Well, Miss Priya, I have studied this in school, but not like this version. Instead, it's easier.
What is it?
I studied this in school, but it has been a little bit easier. Instead, we were just doing measurement, finding how many inches, and if we were between the inches, we estimated.
Okay, good to know. Samhit, hey, uncorrect. See, slowly you got it. Good job. Ritu, I need your answer. Yuvati, I need your answer. Ritu, why did you round to 52? Yuvati, why did you round to 52? Did you draw the number line? The next number is 53. Now, where will this go? 52, 5 by 6 is here or here or here or here. Where is it? Ritu, this is 52 and a half, right, ma? Ritu, unmute Ritu and Yuvati. Yes, Yuvati, you got it. Ritu, how did you do?
I drew right here.
You drew right there, but how did you find 52, 5 by 6 is where? Is it in this side or in this side?
The side where there's 53.
Then why did you round to 52?
When I was typing, my finger
Finger
accidentally.
pressed on 52, that is not acceptable. You have to click on the right finger. Okay, I deleted the next question. Okay, how about this? Nevan, next I want you to explain. Look at the problem, Nevan. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1123 times 47 is near to 5,000 or 50,000. How will you find it, guys? How will you find it? You tell me.
Easy. So you know that if you times 12,
1, 1, 2, 3 times 47. See, there are 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you multiply this by just a 10, what would happen? You will just add a 0 to it, correct? If you just multiply by a 10, if you just multiply this by 10, you'll get this. But you're multiplying by 50.
Oh wait, I know. It would be closer to 50,000.
How do you know?
Because it's rounded by 4 tens and
Good
50,000
job.
is 4 zeros.
Good job. Nice way of finding. See, this is like the nearest, if you round it to the nearest 1,000, it's like a 1,000. When you multiply 47 with 1,000, it's almost equivalent to this, but a little more because this 123 will be multiplied by that 47 as well. I did not do that. I just multiplied this one. This has the highest power in a number. The leftmost digit has the highest power. Heyan, are you listening? Okay. The leftmost digit has the highest power. So you know what I did? I rounded to the nearest 1,000. So it became 1,000 because 123 is a little above 1,000. So 1,000 times 47. Just write this number, add the zeros. Multiplying by 1,000 hundreds really help to estimate. When you estimate 47 followed by the 3 zeros, which is very near this answer, you got it. Ritu, did you get it?
Yeah, I was solving in my book.
Okay, how about this? I am going to add fractions now.
I tell you how I did it, Miss Priya? You know
Go
how?
ahead.
I
Go
knew
ahead.
that I just knew that if you multiply
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
and
ahead.
I knew that just because if you multiply that by 47, even if it was less than 50,000, but way more than 25,000, that means it would be closer to 50,000. So that's how I knew that 50,000 was closer than 5,000 with that number.
Good job. Good job. Guys, I'm waiting for your answer on this one. I like your way. Neil, do this problem. 8, 3 by 4, 13, 1 by 3. When you add it, is it nearest to 20 or 30?
That's the answer I sent.
Yes, Samhit, that's perfect. You want to explain?
Um,
Wait, Ma. I need one or two more answers.
okay.
If you like to explain, you can explain, or whoever likes to explain next, whoever gets the answer can explain. See, this is not a hard one. Whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The fractions are all easy. When you add them, it will just be 1 or less than 1 or slightly greater than 1. Good job, Yuvati. Keep going.
Can I tell how I did it?
1 minute, ma. Wait, let the others answer. I'll let you do. Ritu, correct. Neil, where is your answer on that, Neil? Heyan, Nevan, I'm waiting for these 3 answers. Good. Good, Heyan. Nevan? Neil, what is going on with you?
I just got it. I just got it in my mind now. I'm gonna now send it.
Send. Yuvati, explain.
How I did it was
Nevan, send the answer. Sorry.
I decided to add I decided to add 8 and 13. Together they equal 21. And 21 is closer to 20 than 30.
That's better. That's nice. Okay, good job, guys. Now, how will you identify this? This is near to this or this or this or this. Estimate, guys. Now, see, here there are no fractions. You can round to the nearest tens. You can round to the nearest tens. Then it's
Can I solve the question?
no, you should not solve. You should not find the exact answer.
Like after I tell you the answer, can I solve?
Yeah, you want to explain, yes, but don't solve, but don't sit and work out 37 times 27. That's not the intent, I said.
But it's kind of easy.
Don't do that. That's not required out of you. The question is estimation question, which is where you're abusing finding the real answer. You should not be finding the real answer. Heyan, how did you do that? How did you do that? Heyan?
30 by 20. I made a mistake.
Yeah, see, you cannot multiply 30 by 20 because 37 is near to which 10? 40 by 30 is okay. Good job.
I sent my answer.
Heyan, is that right?
Miss Priya, is this right?
Yes, Lakshanya.
Is my answer right?
Oh, I did not say Yuvati. 1 minute, ma.
Is my answer right?
Lakshanya correct, Samhit correct, Yuvati correct. Neil, did you get it? Ritu? Correct, ma. So here, round to your nearest tens and multiply.
I
That is
got it. I got it.
Nevan, did you get it? Nevan,
Yeah.
did you get it? Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of reasonable? Do you all know what is the meaning of the term reasonable? I want you to work on a page that says whether it is reasonable. Something is reasonable. Yes, Yuvati. Do you know what is reasonable?
Reasonable means like reasonable is like giving like a reason which makes sense.
Correct. So now if I say 40 times 30 is near to 999, that is reasonable. Yes, it's around that number. But if I say the same thing, 40 by 30, which comes to around 1200, if I say that is near to 9999, it's unreasonable. You all got it?
Yeah.
So that 9999 is too high, and which means that this should multiply like by 5 to make it reasonable.
Absolutely
You
agree.
multiply it by 7 to make it reasonable, or 6.
Completely agree. Okay. Shall I go ahead? Okay. Shall I go ahead? Okay, how about this? I really want a short circuit puzzle. I'm going to show you a short circuit puzzle. Let's see what is the short circuit puzzle, okay? I just want you to know so that you can do it at home. Okay, I'm not going to do everything. It's all estimation, okay? Whatever you did now, but with bigger numbers. You know the concept here. Now you know the concept here, but short circuit numbers means, let me show you. So here you have,
I want to tell you something, Miss Priya.
go ahead.
Actually, on the constellation puzzles, all of them, I just got them right in one try.
Really nice, Neil. I really want that to do in constellation puzzle as well. Okay, coming to short circuit puzzle, right? Now, you cannot make short circuit, meaning you cannot cross wires. I'm going to connect wires between left side and right side like this or like this, something like this, something like this I'm going to do. But I cannot cross wires like this. I cannot go on a wire. You got it? I cannot go on a wire. Each dot, see here, each dot, I have an expression. What is an expression? The 54 times 19 will be an expression, will be a number. That's a numeric expression, number expression. Heyan, are you here mentally? Okay, now you have to draw the wires that connect the dots, okay, to the dots on the other side, okay. Now, the wires should not go outside as well, should not go outside of the rooms I have drawn. These are the rooms, okay. They should not go outside of the rooms. Let me quickly draw the room properly. They should not go outside of the room. Okay, it can be within that room, full entire room, it can be within. Okay, now should not cross each other or should not go on the walls. These are the walls. The red color thing is the walls. Okay, now you're going to estimate. Can you quickly estimate? A, B, C are the dots. A will be connected to D or E or F. A, first we are going to do A. A is connected to D or E or F. Heyan and Nevan, both of you, I need answers from you for this question. A wire will be connected to D or E or F.
Is my answer right?
Correct, Neil. Nevan, check again. How did you know, Nevan? Can you explain to me? Check again, explain if you want to. Heyan, that is not correct. See, Nevan and Heyan, I don't think that's right. Lakshanya is correct, Yuvati is correct.
I didn't really know. I just guessed.
You just guess. Don't guess, Sama. Don't waste the opportunity, right? Do it and check. Estimate it. Round it to the nearest 10 and check. Please round it to please round it to the nearest 10. Heyan, did you round it to the nearest 10, Heyan? Heyan, can you help me? Can you work with me? 54 times 19. How did you do, Heyan? But I really like the way you have answered, Heyan. Okay, Nevan, you help me. 54 times 19. How did you do?
54 times 10 equals add a 0. So that's 5.
Wait. 19, is it near to 10? 54 times 19, is it near to 10 or which 10 it is near to?
20.
20. So 54 times 2 is what?
54 times 2.
It's like a
108.
118. Yeah, 118 and add a 0. So which one it is near to of these three numbers?
E.
Ha, A to E. And then B will be connected to what? B will be connected to 72 times 33. I'm going to do it on the board. So 70 times 30. What is it, guys? Quick, you can do it quickly. 2100. Ah, perfectly it is this. Now 56 times 66, that's hard. 56 times 66 is what? 60, 70, but 60, 70 is too high because both are near, like I would say this is 55 times 65, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I answered everything.
yep, I saw that. I'm closely watching the chat. So this would be C would be connected to D. Got it, guys? So this is how you solve the short circuit puzzle, which we will do it at home, okay? Now, in fractions also, you can have it, you know. If you have it in fractions, it becomes slightly tricky. How about this? How about this? 13, 2 by 9. Can I multiply with 2, 3 by 8? Wait, let me see this one. Let me show you this one first. 5, 1 by 9 plus 3, 1 by 3. How will you see? You have to estimate it, okay? The goal is you should not overestimate or underestimate. You should not overestimate or underestimate. Okay, that being the case, right? You cannot overestimate or underestimate. Now, let's say I do this. Okay, how will you do this? First, estimate this. It will be nearest to what whole number? This, when you add, will be near to which whole number? You know what is overestimating, what is underestimating? Okay, now let me go ahead and show you this one. I'll do it in two ways. One is I will go ahead and round this to 5 because 1 by 9 is a fraction less than half. 1 by 3 is a fraction less than half. So I'll go ahead and do this. This is one way. Okay, this is one way. Okay, second way is I do the second way. How? This I put it to 6. This I put it to 4. And I say my answer is 10. Which is underestimate, which is overestimate? Which is underestimate, which is overestimating?
I think the 8 is underestimating and the 10 is
I
overestimating.
both. I lessened both the numbers. So this is underestimating. This is overestimating because 5 1 by 9 is nowhere near 6. I put it as 6. 3 1 by 3 is nowhere near 4. 3 1 by 3. 3 and 4 are here on the number line. 3 1 by 3 is very near to 3, not 4. I put it to 4. So this is overestimating. Heyan, are you understanding what is overestimate and underestimate?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, let's say this one. If I do this, 13 2 by 9, I multiply with 2 3 by 8. What do you think? Meaning, you don't know multiplication of fractions, okay? That I know. But then, I just put 13 times 2 equal to 26. Is it overestimating or underestimating? Shout out, guys.
Overestimating.
Why?
Underestimating.
Underestimating. Why it is underestimating?
Because you still have the fractions
Ah,
left.
you still have the fraction. You know what? This is 13 plus 2 by 9. This is 2 plus 3 by 8. So basically, I have to multiply 13 with 2, 13 with 3 by 8. And then I'll have to multiply 2 by 9 with 2 and 2 by 9 with 3 by 8. What did I do? I just did only one of this. What did I just do? I just did only one of this. So I'm underestimating. You don't need to know multiplication for this one. Okay, how about this? How about this? All estimating you need to know. Okay, hold on. Okay, how about you don't need to go for division. 1 second, guys. 59. 59 you can do, but at the same time, how good are we with area? I just want to finish maximum of whatever I can. In the next 2 classes, I want to finish up. So, 1 second. 1 second, guys. You have to wait for a minute. பாரு ஏரியாடா ரொம்ப டக்குன்னு பண்ணிடுவேன் நீ தான் நீ TV you say 15 minutes but you watch for 15 minutes அப்ப நான் உன்ன மாதிரி பேட் அட்டிட்யூட் காமிக்கணுமா நீ Okay, so here we go. Neil, are you getting bored, huh? You're getting bored?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, we'll finish with that. Okay, I respect your thoughts. Okay, let's do this. This is 8 yards. This is 8 yards. How do you calculate the area, guys? Area you've been already introduced. So I am thinking we should be able to do it nicely. But I just want to make sure before I assign this as a homework as well. Okay, what is the area of this?
Priyanti.
What is the area of this? How do you find the area of this figure?
Priyanti, can you check the time this meeting has been running?
Let's finish this problem and then look at it. Go ahead. So how do you find the area of this figure? Who can tell me how to find the area of the figure? You all know areas, right? Area of the entire figure is what? It's just the added value of each areas. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Sam.
Is it a shape like this?
Yeah, it is shaped like this.
Then you should probably do it one at a time. So you should like split
Good, nice.
one shape
Yes.
into different shapes.
Yes. What is the area here?
8 times 4 would be.
No. What is the area of the shaded part? What is area here? Blue. You can answer in chat. You don't have to say. Good job, Neil. 16. 16 square yards. Always the unit is squares for area. 16 square yard. What is the area of this small piece? 12 square yards. What is the area of this? Everybody is going to say the last one in chat. What is the area of the big rectangle? I'm waiting. Lakshanya, that's correct. 32 square yards. Good job. So I'm going to add all of that. 16 plus 12 plus 32. 60 square yards. Any questions? So this is called a composite figure. Composite figure. Okay. This is a composite figure. Okay. Composite figure, you have to split it into rectangles and squares, find the area. Okay. Total is 60 square yards. I'll stop here, guys. I know I took some extra time. I'm sorry about it, but glad that you were listening, Neil. Okay. Now, how about we stop here? We stop here and I'll do the, most probably I will assign a little bit extra homework, but let me know. Okay. I really want you guys to do till 59. Yeah. Till 59. 59 till 59 page, and then you can do, I'll assign the homework in the Google Classroom. Any more questions for me? $77 to $81. Okay, guys. Any more questions for me?
No.
Okay, guys. Then we'll see you all next week. Have a nice week ahead.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. See you all next week. Any questions, you stay.
Yeah,
Bye.
I just want to tell you how long we had our math class. In
Hold
total,
on.
we
Hold on.
just had 1 hour and 36, 35 or 36, 1 hour and 5 to 6 minutes.
Actually, it's 1 minute,
minutes.
1 hour, 9 minutes, 29 seconds as of.
Wow, that's good for you, right?
10 minutes.
Good amount of math, right?
No, I can
Good
manage.
amount of math for you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'm proud of you all listening.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the evening, Neil.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Why did you say the request again?
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I know I was about to say it too.
Neil, how are you?